Sign, sign, everywhere a sign. Do this, don't do that. Can't you read the sign? Remember that song from way back in the good old days? Anyway, walking from Mango Avenue down to Ramos Street Bar on Ramos Street. Night tour, and going to give you a little taste of the noise out here, so get ready right now. These loud motorbikes have gotten way out of hand in Cebu City. And boy, I wish they would do something about that, because what happens? Hey, one guy does it, and then another guy says, "Man, that's neat. I'm gonna take the baffles. I'm gonna modify my muffler so I can make a lot of noise." And I mean, it goes on 24 hours a day. And you've got, if you're talking, you need to stop talking. Even in the capital, Governor Garcia said, "Will somebody please pass the law and outlaw these things?" And they have to stop talking in the capital. And all over, you'll find yourself stopping until they go by. So anyway, walking by the new bar here called the Barcode. And some nights they have a band there. Got a pool, a billiards table in there, like most of the bars do, I think. Got a couple new bars. Got kind of a Korean bar open up on the second level on Mango Square area, where gosh, I forget the name of the bar that used to be in there, up above the Irish bar that is Marshall's, that has now been closed for several months permanently. This is a 360-degree video, so you can, by just moving your phone around, you can view the different angles of this video. If you're on a touch screen, you can use it there. Otherwise, up in the upper left-hand corner, there's a little toggle thing you can use to move the screen around as well. Kind of neat that on your phone, your smartphone, that you can just move the phone around different directions, up, down, left, right, and you can look 360 degrees around in all directions. I think this was about 10:30 at night on a Monday night, so not a lot of stuff going on, but there was still people out and about. Friday and Saturdays, of course, generally are the biggest days to be out roaming around. I wanted to check out the night capabilities of this camera. It gets fairly good reviews online, other people using it at night, and anyway, it seems to be doing a reasonably good job, better than GoPro, I would say. And I still have my GoPro, but going to be doing more and more videos with this 360, but there are times when the GoPro works for what I want to do. Bo's Coffee here on the left. Got a karaoke place over on the right there. And there are guys on the street saying, "Hey, go to the karaoke place. We've got lots of girls will go in and sing with you." Haven't been in there. Got a few massage parlors down here. Got a hotel just to the left here. I had met a friend at the Howling Dog a little earlier. And interestingly, I had a guy come up to me and say, "Are you a vlogger? I think I know who you are." And so that happens quite regularly to me, and which really surprises me, because I don't put my face out there very often. And people tell me, "I recognize your voice." I don't know. I would prefer to remain a little bit anonymous, but those days are long gone. I put myself out there in the public place, and there is no such thing as anonymity, if I said that right. I feel safe. I walk in many places around Cebu, and not that I would recommend everybody to do that unless you're comfortable doing that. Anything bad can happen anytime. Any place. I've watched some videos of Mexico, people living in Mexico and Costa Rica. One lady, she said she left Costa Rica because she had been robbed, and many people some of the people that she'd known have been carjacked. And so crime in Costa Rica, I didn't realize that, is an issue. This is the Ramos Street Bar up here, and I'm going to stop in there and say hello to a few people as well. Nellie. Hello, Nellie. How are you doing? Huh?
What is that?
That's a camera. 301 camera. 360 degrees. Nice neighborhood bar, 301 Ramos Street Bar, with good food and good music. Nellie, a Filipina, and Mark, an Australian. Nice people, both run this place, and they've expanded it. Used to be the Timeout Bar, if some of you are familiar with that. And so they've pretty much doubled the size. They got seating outside, inside, and they've got a second story up there. Got a billiard table on both levels, down and up. They've got a band that will set up on the lower level. They used to be up on the upper level, but they're down on the lower level. And then you got billiards up and a bar, and you've got a balcony up on top that's nice and convenient. Sit and watch people watch a little bit. Sit up there if you want a little more quiet and solitude. Usually, not always. Anyway, a really nice neighborhood bar, and the sports bar, they've got various sports playing. You can request different things to be turned on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.